Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So there is last week's spread using the kit from Let's Plan, and I think it's the honey stickers. And this week, because we're going to be in London, I am going to be using these stickers. Now, I'm trying to remember the name of the company that I bought them from. It's from Paper Society store on Etsy, and she sells digital stickers that you can either print off or put in, I think it's GoodNote. So I printed these off. These are the London stickers, and I'm really excited to use them for this week. Let's get started. Okay, so there's already been a change in plan since last week. We were supposed to leave originally on the 26th, which is my 40th birthday. But unfortunately, we've had a change in plans. Our flights were canceled, and we're now, instead of leaving on the 26th, leaving on the 27th. So, but whatever. So this is going to be a little bit of a weird plan with me, just because I will have some plans in here, but it's going to mostly be decorative. Okay, so I'm going to place these stickers up here. It's very simple. I like that. Oh, pretty. Then there's some of these that I'm not going to use, but a lot of them I will. So I'm going to use this one for the day we fly out, which is now the 27th. And I'll put for there. And then, I feel like this is going to be weird because I'm going to have like our ticket there. Actually, I'm gonna decorate all along the top here for London. And I feel like this is definitely going to be different to what I normally do for a spread, just because there's some plan, not a really big plan, but there's some plans. Then I'm gonna place this here. Oh, you know what I forgot that we're not probably doing is going to see Buckingham Palace. But the thing is that going back to London for us is my husband visiting his family and bringing the kids back, because we actually used to live in the UK. So it's more of a visiting family type of trip. Oh, I like this. Hold on. This is gonna go right here. I'm definitely gonna go see Big Ben. I'm gonna put a little suitcase here. And then I'm not gonna use that girl because none of us look like that. I'm still going to do my sleep score in here, but I won't be keeping track of meals. I think this will just kind of be similar to what we did for our cruise. I kind of just kept a running list of what we did during the day, and then go from there. Funny enough, we do have a bit of a spreadsheet as to what is happening each day, but so we actually technically arrive in London that day. So we do miss a day, which is unfortunate. And I'm assuming there are going to be some rainy days. And so I'm going to place this. I want to place it where I can still write something. So there. And then we actually leave for Paris on the 2nd. So I'm going to place a couple of luggages here. Actually, there's a good place to place the luggage. And oh, definitely the phone booth. So really along the top here is just a whole bunch of like London memorabilia. And the beer is mostly for my husband. So I don't know, if you guys don't know me, well, I spent about 6 years total in England. And my kids were both born there, and then I moved back to Canada. So this is going to be a very blank spread and a very quick plan with me. Am I even going to add washi? I don't know, but what I'll do here is I will go in with my Esterbrook Estie, and I will write in the word sleep. And this is inked with Pilot Roshizuku Asagao. So I'm still gonna keep track of my sleep score while I'm away. Because the week before we leave on a trip, my sleep is not great. And then in terms of, I'm gonna actually just write steps, and I'm gonna keep track of steps for the week. How many steps I get in. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday. So really, I'm keeping the spread very simple just because it is gonna be one of those things where I'm gonna fill it out as I go. I say we're not pre-planning. We do have plans for things, but everything is gonna be very, very fluid. So I'm gonna put a little plane right here. And then bus. Saying that, we're not taking a city tour, but they do have the double-decker buses, which are fun. So, guys, I know this is a little bit of a disappointing plan with me, but really, what I wanted to do in this spread was just to add some London decoration, and then as the time goes, add in what we did. So it really is going to be more of a memory planner and adding things as I go versus pre-planning anything. And that's what I do for vacation. So I'm not going to use all of these stickers. It was nice to have them all, but I'm not going to use them all. Yeah, I'm not going to use them all. I do like them though. I think they're really cute. I'm not going to use the UK one. I don't know if we'll have time to even go to the British Museum. See, there's so many things because we're losing a day and we're not even in London for a very long time. We're really now technically only there for 4.5 days, and then we come back. And anyway, yeah, but I'm just excited to go. I'm babbling now. So let's see. No, I don't want to use the girl sticker anywhere. I think I'm just going to leave it. Boring, I know, but I will show you guys what this looks like. You know, maybe when I get back, or do a quick story on my Instagram to show you what it looks like once it's all filled out. That was one of my quickest plan with me's and my Hobonichi cousin. Again, I apologize. I'm not even putting meals down here. I could. I certainly could. I'm changing my mind as I do this, because things will change. And I mean, I'll probably write down our meals here as we go anyway. So I'm not going to put anything here. I'm just going to keep it as a free-for-all for vacation and not try to do too much pre-planning. All right, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this very quick plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin. Let me know, what do you guys do when you plan for vacation or decorate for vacation? And is it as blank as this at the beginning of your vacation, or do you really have specific things that you put in here ahead of time? Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you, and have yourselves a great day.